Sometimes the best sound effects are the invisible ones that just melt into your visuals. These sound effects are from the City Aerials Library by Lens Distortions. They simulate the sensation of flying through a city. The wisps of air, the human activity in the background, the vehicles, even the presence of massive glass structures somehow come through in the audio. Each sound effect also comes with stems, so you can customize each atmosphere to better match your visuals. If you are the kind of filmmaker who's absolutely obsessed with your craft, then you are exactly who we made this for.